Today we parked far away from the parking lot. Really very many cars, and we could not find the place to park. Alex, show the tulips. Red and yellow we have from our dacha. Кладбище льгот нет. Написано. In the suburbs of Fresno we have two cemeteries. This one is new, Novaya, and also we have the old cemetery near Grebneva church, in the village Grebneva. Last year it was possible to go to the territory by car, but now they closed the gates. I think it is right, because here you can't turn the opposite direction. If too many cars, it is very difficult to go back. Развернуться сложно, если машины все перекроют где-то. Besides, cars park on the curb, on the grass, and people who have relatives who have graves not far, they very disappointed with this usually. Где-то да. Нам вон к той елке. We go to that fir tree. That is my granny, Zinaida Dmitrievna, and my grandfather, Alexander Nikolaevich. They took part in the Great Patriotic War. My granddad was wounded in his leg and suffered the rest of his life. My granny also took part in the war, but luckily she wasn't wounded, and all her life she took care about Dad, because he suffered really too much because of the leg. People come to the cemetery with real flowers and with artificial flowers. Russians usually think that artificial flowers only for the cemetery, so they do not put artificial flowers in their flats. And also people come with even numbers of flowers. 2, 4, 6, 8. I bought a cake that is our famous brand. It is called Bornlцf. The cake is called Нежный, gentle. And here, guys, that is the special Victory Day edition. Here you may see the grenade. Now we shall open it. The special Victory Day cake.
И ленточки такие в цвет георгиевский.
Yeah. Лёха, иди торт смотреть.
Смотри, какой военный.
The special military cake, Victory Day edition, with 3 bullets, with stars, with a grenade, and the special plate. Враг не пройдет. And that is their brand name, Bornlцf. My favorite cake is Kievsky, but they were out of stock. That is why I bought this one. It is very similar to Kievsky, also with bizet inside. Very tasty cake. If you come to Russia, you may try. Very tasty. Давай гранату проверим. Там есть что-нибудь внутри? Let's check the grenade. No. Let's take it out of there on the plate. Оп.
Это шоколадка.
Chocolate. I want to know if it is empty or not. Let's check.
Пополам. Не, ну оно
здоровое. Okay, a big chocolate. Barbecue time. Alex cooked fish. Looks nice. Delicious. Yeah, that is chef. Always hungry. Yeah, chef. Let me show you what is new on my dacha. Yesterday we made flower beds. We are going to grow here dill, lettuce, maybe some radish, so not much. Everything for salad. Here I also have onion and garlic. I planted them last autumn, and during the winter onions and garlic were under the ground. So in early spring they began to grow. And also here is some lettuce, so I did not plant it, but somehow it appeared here. And over there you may see the construction. Alex is preparing the foundation. We made 9 holes. Now they are full with sand. Also we put a lot of water here. And it was like this during, I think, 3 or 4 days. We will try to use as many stones as we can, just not to hire the car to take them from our dacha. Леша, может тачку взять? Так легче будет. А вот эта, которая такая, на двух колесах.
Иди сюда.
Все ровно? So Alex has some special system how to make the stones of one level. So guys, the construction is going on, not very fast, but well, as fast as possible. Yeah, Shefi, you are the big boss, the inspector. His Royal Highness inspects the construction.